up guys, Gorillas here, back with another video guys, and today I'll be showing you guys how to get sponsored for just a little bit of requirements. All you're gonna need is 50 subs. Now most people have 50 subs or more, and then the minimum total views you want is 3,000. Now before you guys even say, Gorillas, you don't even have 3,000, you don't even have 3,000. Okay, look, I was one of the beta testers for this website. I found it when I was at 60 subs, and it was around the gaming setup time, and I made about $30 to $50 for it. So yeah, so today we're showing you guys how to make that kind of money, but first you have to apply. So what you want to do is you want to click the link in the description, then you want to click join now, then you want to click apply with YouTube. That's going to send you to your Google account. Then you're gonna sign in. If it can sign me in. And then you're gonna just want to click allow. It's basically telling you you can get monetized, reports and everything, analytics, your channel thing. And you want to click allow. Now you want to complete this, and you're gonna complete your application, and basically you just put what you're for, and then once you're done you click accept, and then you apply. Now it could send you an email through 2 business days. It sent me through 1 that I was accepted. Now it can say you're accepted or you're not accepted. Now if you haven't hit the requirements, I wouldn't really join now. I'd join later when you have hit the requirements. So yeah, so basically they get 70% of the revenue, you get 30, so that's why sometimes it's so low. And every 25 views you have, that's $1, so just keep on adding it up. And if you have $100, well, basically if you have 25 and you have 100 views, basically you're getting around $10. So yeah, it's very good for a small YouTuber. If you're a big YouTuber, I'd use it too. This is an easy way to get money. And yeah guys, so this is just a quick tutorial on how to do it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to smash that like button, leave a like, comment down below, and thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. I can't thank you guys enough. And let's get to 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, and 1,000. See you guys later. Hope you guys enjoy.